Hello everyone, this is your planetary meditation video. So I'll be discussing the planet transit for 2020 and then talking about how you can apply that to your spiritual practice, your meditation. So I'm not going to show you or do any kind of specific meditation, but I'm just going to talk to you about it and you can apply it to your practice, okay? So, all right, so it's going to be, and I'm on the computer, of course. This is awesome. I love making these videos. Okay, so February 7th is going to be Venus enters Aries. So you can look at your birth chart because this all connects, right? So you can look at your birth chart and see if Venus is in Aries in your birth chart. If it's not, that's okay. You can still see where Venus is in your chart, and you can leave me a comment and, write to me, ask me, hey, what do I do about this? Okay. So, I mean, certain questions I'll definitely answer, you know. So, basically, how can you amplify this Venus energy? So, Venus in Aries happens on August 7th at 3:02 p.m., which I believe is 12:02 Pacific Standard Time. So, a meditation that you can do with this is anything that has to do with your Venus, okay? So, anything to do with what Venus covers: beauty, attraction, popularity, how you, um, talk to people. Do you easily make friends? You will have to do the legwork of looking at what Venus means, right? And I mean, I'll mention some of them like art, beauty, love, relationships, attraction, decoration, right? How you decorate yourself, how you decorate things, how you communicate with others, the way you the way you spend money, how you influence others to spend money. Okay, so excuse me, I'm not recording this video again. I'm like, oh, I wanna be able to talk. I'm trying not to lose my voice. Okay, so it's how you influence yourself and others when it comes to beauty and attraction, right? So Venus, if you look in your birth chart, it is very strong in the second house, fourth, fifth, seventh, and 12th house. So, and if it's not in those houses, it's still strong. Now, they're in 0 degrees. Venus, 0 degrees, Aries, 0 degrees. So it's a beginning and an end. So it's a perfect time for you to start empowering some kind of Venus energy within yourself through meditation. Okay, so what's your focus? Everything is intent. So, what is your intent for yourself? So, this is you using your meditation along with the planetary movements, the planetary meditation along, these are all like little cute words like, okay, planetary meditation, but you can be using a Kundalini practice, a Kriya practice that is supposed to strengthen the heart chakra, or it could be for self-confidence, for self-love, for magnetism, pulling in people to you or situations to you, or just empowering yourself and uplifting that chi, that energy within yourself. So that Venus meditation can be used in that way. So you doing the legwork and finding, okay, what meditation am I going to use? And we have Valentine's Day coming up, right? So it's like that love vibe, that Venus energy. So what we want to see, and I'm looking at the chart right now. So I'm trying to not have this thing roll away with me, but just seeing what Venus is in, and it's not, okay, so as far as I can see, it's not retrograde. Okay, perfect. So, finding out where the Venus is, okay, and just getting a better look at that. Okay, perfect. All right, so that sensuality, love, harmony, pleasure, and at this point, I think on the 7th, Venus will be in Pisces. So that's like a lot of psychic energy, a lot of intuition, okay? And it depends on the time of the day too. Okay, so all right. So just seeing where that Venus energy is in your chart, and knowing where it is in your chart is helpful, like I said. But focusing on, well, it'll be in the 11th house. Okay, so it'll be in the 11th house. It'll be in Pisces. Okay, right. So for the Eastern Standard Time, and it all depends, and I'm going to do the chart right now. So while I'm talking to you, I'm going to punch in the time for the specific standard time, calculating it for the 7th. Okay, so we'll be in the 11th house. Okay. Right. Yes, it will be in the 11th house. Okay. So this will be very beneficial for just your own social network, your own friendships, right? So it'll be especially good for how you communicate with other people. Okay. It'll be very beneficial that way. Yes, your aspirations, your how you contribute to groups, right? Your friendships, your personal goals, your aspiration in the 11th house. Yes. So I always like to double check. So, you can magnetize and work on your own personal relationships with others, so you can take that in at a personal level as just like a communication, you could even work on the heart chakra, how you communicate. There's different meditations and kriyas that you can do, but that's a great way of you connecting to this Venus energy that is taking place on the 7th. So if this video was helpful to you, definitely click like. Um, but doing the legwork and finding out, okay, where where do I want to go by using this Venus energy for what Venus represents? And then with Aries, Aries is putting itself first, which you're doing. You're working on yourself. It is all about the self, the I, the me, and working on self. And this is very important because a lot of people, I wouldn't say a lot of people, but especially if you have the personality of giving so much that you end up feeling depleted yourself, this would be a great time to connect to this Venus energy. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Click like, and I will see you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe because I'm going through the different planetary movements, not just the full moon and new moon, but all the other planetary movements and how you can use them in your meditation practice. And I'm hoping if you're in my neighborhood, in where I live, then see you guys in class for the first week of February and the second week of February. I'll be talking about the heart chakra in class. I'll be focusing on other teachings for that day, whether it's a body movement, a part of the body that would be ideal to work that day, that particular day of the week. And that particular day, not just day of the week, but that particular day, and then the week of Valentine's week will be a special class for everyone attending. So definitely invite your friends to class. Um, give it as a gift or have them, show up and take the class. So I will see you. I'll see you guys. Peace.